I just wanted to take you out into camp so you guys could see the beautiful piece that we found out here. Just have to excuse my balance act a little bit here. I'm a little off balance here. Okay, I'll put my shoes on. What we need to do is find a log. A log with our name on it. Ah, right there. Perfect. Let's go to that one. Okay, we want to find a nice log. Somewhere in the sun. Ooh, that's perfect. That one. We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for Cargo Trailer Conversion, or Cargo Trailer Camper, or Cargo Trailer Crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days.
As you can see, we're not alone. We got a couple friends out here with us, chilling with us in this camp. And we're just gonna sit together and have a little breakfast in this beautiful valley, meadow, whatever you want to call it. When I was building the Tiny Wanderer, Dean told me to throw it in a shed, even though it was half finished, into a storage unit where it was living, and hitch a ride to Alaska with him, and we went for a few days, and I got this cup there. Alaska was amazing. Too bad it rained the whole time I was there, but I loved it. I want to go back again. Dean got to go back with his family later in the year. And he was able to see all the things we missed that were in the clouds, but I will go back again one day once we finish the next leg of the Tiny Wanderer project. A gentle breeze. It's warm, but not too warm. You know what I mean? It's not like deathly hot, but it's not cold either. I do see a problem with my location though. The solar is going to be badly abused in that location. So, I'm going to have to figure that one out. And apparently I've sat on an anthill and pissed off some ants. Lots of them. So we might have to move locations. Maybe over here. This is probably all ant infested everywhere we go, but we'll sit here for now. Oh man. My compadres are still sleeping, I think. Get up, lazy bones! Wake up, guys! Beautiful day outside. William! Jacob! William! Jacob! Ah, I hear movement. I hear movement. Oh, maybe that was just the trees. Out here, there's like no sounds at all, so if you hear one sound, it could be anything. Last night, I swore I heard an animal come into camp, but I didn't see it, so. Believe me, if they were going for the one with the most food, they'd go for William. Then they'd come after me, and then they'd go after Jacob after that. Oh, wow. For those of you who didn't watch any of the previous videos, just happened to stumble on this one, we are approximately 15 miles from Duck Creek Village out in the Dixie National Forest on a very rough but serviceable forest road. On the way in here, there was like 6 RVs parked by the road, but we kept going in further and further and further until this spot called to us. Well, in honesty, the road actually continues, but I just didn't want to go any further with the trailer. I've already dinged it enough times, but that's okay. This is a good spot. I'm not going to argue it. I like the spot, so. We're sitting at almost 10 o'clock, and the sun is right in front of that tree. So I'm going to put the panel so it's just on the other side of that tree branch. And that'll get us more juice. Oh, that'll get us a ton of juice. And it'll keep Maggie shaded as well. It's great living off of the sun, but not when you're in the shade. So beautiful here. Beyond beautiful here. I named this place Grasshopper Ridge because, well, listen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but those are grasshoppers. Wow. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me for this morning breakfast, start of the day. And I'm sure I'll see you guys soon in another video. Let me leave you with, there were some really pretty flowers over here. Try not to walk on these. I'll leave you with those if I can find them. Oh yeah, there's some definitely large animals around here. All right, here we go. These are really beautiful. Have a good day, guys.